Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Akilah, also known as Kilahmazing, and today I am coming at you guys with this real simple classic cat eye look with this bold red ombre lip. So for today's look, I am going to be using Deck of Scarlet. If you guys are not familiar with Deck of Scarlet, they're a monthly makeup subscription in which now monthly you'll receive either a limited edition makeup palette or you'll receive a kit, which is actually something new that they just incorporated. This is one of the colors that I received in my lip kit for this month. It's in the color Siren, and then I also received Brunch Babe, which is right underneath that, and then Moody Mauve. But yeah, each palette or kit is priced at $29.95, and you do get the chance to preview each month's products before they are sent to you. So if you don't like it, you could be like, nah, I ain't feeling that this month, and you could skip it. And you could also cancel at any time, and also the shipping is free, and every product is cruelty free and made in the USA. So you all definitely be sure to check out the description box down below for more information. So I'm first going to be starting off with my foundation already on, as well as my brows. I feel like I've done this a trillion times, and girl, ain't nothing new, okay? But I did recently find this concealer. Haven't used it in a minute. It's by e.l.f. This is their HD concealer, and it's actually pretty bomb. Like we gonna add this back to the collection. We're gonna switch things up. But next I'm just gonna go ahead and give my face a little bit more dimension. No contour, nothing, you know, just something very natural. So I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color Coffee, and I'm just gonna buff that in. And then I'm just going to set my face just a little bit with Colourpop's No Filter Translucent Powder. Love this stuff. It's amazing and it's affordable. Everything I'm using is affordable because y'all know me, okay? Y'all already know the deal. Queen Frugal over here, you know? But next I'm just going to go ahead and line my eyes while that is sitting. And I'm really proud of myself, y'all. I've come a long way when it comes to eyeliner. I used to be the type to like to hold the corner of my eyes, but now I don't even need to do all that. Like, we are moving on up, okay? But to do this, I use my good old Revlon Color Stay Liner. My go-to. If it ain't broken, don't fix it, you know? Then next, I'm just going to go ahead and brush off the excess powder and add some color back to my face because we are looking casket fresh. But yeah, I'm just using my Glow Minerals pressed base, and I went ahead and added a little bit more of that concealer because I like a bright under eye. And like I said, this stuff is bomb. It's only $3, y'all. Like, so y'all need to go up and hit up Target one time. But anyway, so we're just gonna go ahead and go over that with a little bit more powder, and we're gonna set my face. Off camera, I went ahead and added some lashes, and then next I'm gonna take this mascara. This is ironically also by Deck of Scarlet. It has become one of my favorite mascaras. Yes, your girl uses the products that she is sent. Now we're gonna move on to the star of the show, which is this gorgeous red lip. Like I said, this is in the shade Siren, y'all. This is bright. It's beautiful. I don't do red lips often, but I just may have to because this is it, honey. But yeah, this lipstick is really pigmented. All I needed was one coat. But anyways, to give my lips that ombre look, first I'm gonna take this lipstick by MAC. This is Viva Glam by my good sis Ariana Grande. But I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that to my lips in the outer corners. Then you're gonna go ahead and add some black eyeliner, blend it all in. Boom, you got a bold ombre red lip. That's what we doing. But I'm next gonna go ahead and highlight. I don't do this often, y'all. This is like my first time doing this in a long time, and girl, I was shook. But yeah, I was just in a glowy mood, so this highlight palette from Colourpop I had to use. But next I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit more powder to my face, and I'm setting my face with Colourpop's All-Star finishing spray. And this is the final look, y'all. Super simple, super bold, super natural, and super affordable, most importantly. But I am doing a giveaway. I received an extra Deck of Scarlet edition number 11 palette in the mail. I already have one of these, so I figured as a token of my appreciation, I wanted to give it to one of you all. So definitely be sure to check the description box down below to see how you can enter. And by the way, y'all, the head wrap that I am rocking is from my upcoming head wrap line, KilahCrowns, which I did a video about not too long ago, so you guys can definitely check out that video right here. I will be launching in the next couple of weeks, so you guys definitely stay tuned. Follow KilahCrowns on IG, follow me on IG for the latest. So yeah, I'm really excited. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video and you want to see my head wrap line, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in the next one.